Hey, what's up everybody? It's Ramirez bringing you the word of the day. Today's word of the day is appraisal. Now, appraisals are conducted by licensed appraisers. I'll let you go ahead and Google it and read exactly what the definition is so you get a better understanding of it. And then, as you know, I'll drop my nuggets. So go ahead and check it out. Oh, wait. You should be done now. All right, so appraisal. Appraisal is basically an opinion of value when it comes to real estate, because I'm talking about real estate. I mean, there's appraisals on watches, there's appraisals on elbows, there's appraisals on everything these days. But when it comes to real estate, if you're gonna get a loan or anything secured or thinking about selling a property, you're definitely gonna need an appraisal. Now, real estate agents and brokers, we just love appraisers. I mean, they're amazing people, right? They always come in at value and, help our clients out, especially that 2-bedroom, 1-bath with the roof caving in that they want like $3 million for, right? Because it's one of a kind. But that's not the case. So essentially what an appraisal is made up with is an appraiser will go to a property, inspect the property, and then basically give out the specs of the home. So you may think your property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, but only to find out that the previous owner added a bedroom that may not have been permitted. An appraiser's job is to go out there and ensure what the tax records indicate, and as well as what the county has recorded on the property about permits and whatnot. So when it comes to appraisals, that's the actual report that they provide the lender with, or the buyer. In some cases, the seller could get their hands on it to kind of find out exactly what the neighborhood is going for. What are homes that are similar to that property and similar in condition? When it comes to appraisal reports, there could be discrepancies like homes with pools, homes without pools, homes with tile roofs, homes without tile roofs, and so on. Do trees give value to homes? I like to think so. If you have 40 of them, it actually may be, I would say, not in your best interest to have sometimes, depending on where they're planted. I mean, sometimes trees tend to fall and you don't want that to happen on your patio. But anyhow, appraisal, it is simply an opinion of value for the day that they went out and inspected it. So just wanted you to know. Take care.